Shwmai and welcome to Digital School Wales. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your Adobe Creative Cloud Express videos to the next level. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use other websites along with different features within the app itself in order to create far more professional looking videos with Adobe Creative Cloud Express. It's getting nearer to March the 1st, which of course is St. David's Day here in Wales. Now, one of St. David's most famous teachings is to remember about doing the little things all the time. So I'm going to concentrate on that as a theme for this video example. On the Creative Cloud homepage, click on the plus and choose video. As a title, we're going to put Do the Little Things. We don't want a template, so we're going to click on Start from Scratch. So here's our editing window. Now then, on the first slide, we're going to give the title again. So I'm going to click on the text button here, and I'm going to type Do the Little Things. And we're going to concentrate on adding all the text and voiceovers first. So I'm going to add 3 slides, one for each of the little things that I'm going to try and do on this St. David's Day. There we have. Clicked on that button 3 times and I've got 3 empty slides. Now these last 2 slides, the credits and the outro, I don't want them. Now you can't delete them, but you can click on the 3 dots, that little menu, and you can hide the credits, and then you can do the same to hide the outro. Okay, so I'm going to head to the second slide where I'm going to put the first little thing that I'm going to try and do, which is help with the dishes. Then I'm going to move straight over to the next slide and then onto the next one. Finally, I'm going to add a closing slide. So I'm going to add another slide by clicking on the plus button there. Here's my new slide. And in here, I'm going to write St. David's Day, March the 1st. Right, once you've got the text sorted, the next thing to do is add the voiceover. So to add the voiceover, we just click and hold on the microphone button on each slide and let it go when we've finished speaking. So here's the first one. On this St. David's Day, remember to do the little things. We move to the next slide. Like helping out with the dishes. Or how about hanging your coat up? Maybe we could all be a little bit more patient. Whatever you do, remember to celebrate St. David's Day this March the 1st. There we are, so our slides are ready. Now we're going to go and use different websites to find and download video clips and music files. Now the websites I would suggest that you use are Vidivo, Pexels, Bensound, and the YouTube audio library. As you can see, as well as Creative Cloud Express, I've also got a tab here open for Vidivo, Pexels Video, bensound.com, and the YouTube audio library. Let's begin with the videos. So I'll move over to the Vidivo homepage and I'm going to search for dishes, and we'll see if we can find a video of somebody doing the dishes. Now then, you need to avoid these sponsored videos at the top. Those videos are not free to download. Now also below in the Vidivo results, you'll see some of the videos have got this thunderbolt in the bottom left-hand corner. Now that means that these are also not free to download. Now we certainly don't want to pay for any of these video clips, so you need to look out for the ones that say free. There you are, you can see there the word free in the bottom. So scroll through the videos, but if you can't find something suitable, maybe you'll need to do a different search. So I'm going to search instead of dishes for washing. So for my first little thing, this one would work fine, this video of washing hands, but this one here is actually perfect, this messy sink. To download a video from Vidivo, that's all you need to do is click on it, and in the window that appears, click on the green button that says Free Download. That video file will then download to the bottom of your Chrome window, and the longer the video is, the longer that'll take you to download. Let's try another website for the next one. Here we go over on pexels.com video. And here I'm going to search for coat or clothes perhaps. Downloading videos from Pexels is even easier than Vidivo. Just click on this download icon on the video you want, and your video will start downloading immediately to the bottom of your Chrome window. And I follow exactly the same steps to find and download the final video. What about music then? Let's have a look at the bensound.com website. Now again, some of these are free and some have to be paid for. Any of these with the download button showing are free to download. But if we move on to the second page, you'll see some with a blue purchase button. So as long as you avoid those blue buttons, then anything on this website will be free to download and use. You can click on the play button for a preview. And you can just browse there and select. On the YouTube audio library, all these tracks are free and you can also filter them by clicking on this funnel here. And as you can see, you can search according to genre. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to choose for this maybe country and folk music. You can also search according to mood. Once you've made your choice on either of these websites, just click on the download button and like with the videos, that audio file will show in the bottom of your Chrome window. So to add the video, I'm going to click on this video button here and it's going to open up my computer's file browser. Now it'll only show video files, so that helps because here's the first video that I downloaded. I'm going to click OK. It's going to automatically select a piece of video which matches the length of my narration. Now, if you'd like to choose a different section of the video, you can slide it across, but it'll always be the same length as your narration. Now, if you'd prefer it to be a different length, you can switch that feature off by clicking on this button and choose the length yourself. But I find that it's really handy to align the video to the length of your voiceover clip. Once you're happy with the section of the video that you want to use, click on Save. I'm now going to do the same and add the videos to the next two slides. Next, it's a good idea to look at themes and layouts. So you can choose your theme by clicking on the theme tab in the top right-hand corner, and then you can obviously scroll through the different themes available, choosing themes and color schemes as you see fit. You can also set different layouts to the slides. The split screen layout will obviously separate the video and your text. The caption layout will make your text a little bit smaller and you can move it around with a little bit more flexibility. Title and text is useful if you want one piece of large text and another smaller piece of text. But what about the first and last slides, I can hear you asking? Well, how about we use another feature within Adobe Creative Cloud Express to create a collage of photos to do with whales, and then we can download that and re-upload it into our video project. Click on the Creative Cloud Express icon to go back to the main menu. On this main menu, we're going to click on the plus button to start a new project, and we're going to go to the third one down, which says collage. Now you can search for images here on the internet and download them and re-upload them, or you can search Adobe stock images. So for this one, I'm just going to look for Pembrokeshire, because that area of Wales, of course, is strongly associated with St David. I'm just going to pick some of these at random, scroll through, just click on them, and as you can see, they get added over here then to the photos that will be used in the collage. Once you're happy with the photos that you've got selected, click on Next. Now this step is really important because we want our collage to match the layout of our video. So go to the Standard category and choose Widescreen. Click on Next, and Creative Cloud Express will automatically arrange those photographs in the collage on the page for you, like this. Now we're not quite done because we want to make sure that our text is visible on the slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a rectangle. So I'm going to search for rectangle in the icons, move it around, change the size, pick a different color, and adjust the opacity so I can see the photos behind. I'm then going to bring in some icons. Once you're happy with the collage, click on the top here, give it a suitable name, and I'm going to download this as a PNG. So I'm going to click on Download, PNG, and that's going to download to the bottom of my Chrome window. So now I can go straight back over to my video project. So I'm going to click on the Creative Cloud logo, and down at the bottom of the screen here you can see your recent project. So I'm going to click there on my video project. Now I'm going to click on the first slide. This time I'm going to click on the photo button, and over on the right hand side I'm going to choose upload photo. And once again, my file browser is going to open up, and I'm going to choose here this St. David collage that I've just downloaded. That's going to add that to the back. And as you can see, my black text box is going to help that text to be more visible. I'm going to add exactly the same collage to my final slide, but of course, you could use a totally different collage that you've created for the final slide. Now, the last thing to sort out is the music. Now, of course, if you click on the music tab in Creative Cloud Express, you have got a huge selection of music that you can add. But if you've used this quite a lot, you might be quite bored of these by now, and you've probably heard them all before. So to add that track that we downloaded earlier, click on the button that says Add My Music. And here again, in your file browser, you'll see the suitable files. That now is uploading to this new section, which is called My Songs. And there we are, that song now has been added. To preview your video, you can click on the preview button here. On this St. David's Day, remember to do the little things, like helping out. So if you think that the music volume is a little bit too loud, then you can use this toggle here to just duck that down a little bit and then test it again. On this St. David's Day, remember to do the little things. If you're happy with your video, you can download it by clicking on the download button at the top of your window. And there we are, that's been downloaded as an MP4 file to the bottom of your Chrome window. Alternatively, if you'd like to share it, click on the share button and choose publish. You can just click create link. Here you can click copy, and now that URL can take anyone to see your video. And that's your video complete. I'm sure you agree that using these extra techniques really ups the production value and creates a far better looking and sounding video using Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.